Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. For today's video, we're gonna learn how to remove cameos on Snapchat. The first thing that we need to do is go to your Snapchat app on your phone. Open it. Now in the top left corner of your screen, you'll be able to see your profile icon. Click on it. And now at the top right, you'll see a gear icon. You need to tap on that. And here you'll see a list of options. You just need to look for My Selfie and tap on it. Now here you'll see an options for AI snaps, cameos, see my selfie in ads. And if you want to remove cameos, you just need to toggle it off. But if you want to clear your selfie, you just need to click clear selfie and then clear. And that's it. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to click like, subscribe, and tap that notification bell for more videos like this. Thanks for watching!